everyone, I welcome all of you to the India Meteorological Department daily weather briefing. Myself Dr. Arlolan. As on today 19th February 2025, let's see the weather briefing. Weather observed during the past 24 hours. Dense fog conditions reported in isolated pockets of Gangetic West Bengal, Sub-Himalayan West Bengal and Sikkim and Meghalaya. Light to moderate rainfall or snowfall observed at a few places over Arunachal Pradesh. Light to moderate rainfall at a few places over Sub-Himalayan West Bengal and Sikkim, at isolated places over West Uttar Pradesh, East Rajasthan, Odisha, Gangetic West Bengal, West Madhya Pradesh, Assam and Meghalaya, Nagaland, Manipur, Mizoram and Tripura. The maximum temperature during the past 24 hours, day temperatures have risen by 1 to 3 degrees Celsius at some places over Jammu Kashmir, Bihar, Saurashtra Kutch, at isolated places over Haryana, Assam, Meghalaya, West Madhya Pradesh, Tamil Nadu, Puducherry and Karaikal. Also, it has fallen by 1 to 3 degrees Celsius at some places over Odisha, at some places over Rajasthan, Uttar Pradesh and Gangetic West Bengal. Yesterday, the highest maximum temperature of 37.8 degrees Celsius was reported at Akola over the Vidarbha region over the plains of the country. And maximum temperature departure is shown in this figure. Day temperature were markedly above the normal 5 degree or at few places over Jammu Kashmir, which is marked in the dark red color. Also the above normal up to 5 degrees Celsius at many places over northwest, central and west India and Odisha, at isolated places over Bihar, Jharkhand and Nagaland, Manipur, Mizoram and Tripura, which also shown in this orange and yellow color. And the minimum temperature is showing here. During the past 24 hours, night temperature have fallen by 1 to 4 degrees Celsius at many places over Gujarat state, Rajasthan, at some places over Uttar Pradesh, at some isolated places over Uttarakhand, Haryana, Chandigarh and Delhi, West Madhya Pradesh also. And risen by 1 to 4 degrees Celsius at many places over East India, at some places over Jammu Kashmir, East Madhya Pradesh, Maharashtra and at isolated places over Chhattisgarh, Telangana and interior Karnataka. Today the lowest minimum temperature of 6.6 degrees Celsius is reported at Adampur over the plains of the country. The minimum temperature departure is shown in this figure. Here also the night temperature were markedly above normal, more than 5.1 degrees Celsius at few places over Rajasthan and at isolated places over the Saurashtra and Kutch, which is shown in the red color in this figure, and above normal up to 5 degrees Celsius at many places over central and west India, at isolated places over Jammu Kashmir, Himachal Pradesh, West Uttar Pradesh, Nagaland, Manipur, Mizoram, Tripura. Also over the coastal Andhra Pradesh and Yanam and North India Karnataka, which is also shown in the yellow color and orange color. Also the below normal minus 1 to up to minus 3 degrees Celsius at isolated places over the east, Uttar Pradesh, Tamil Nadu, Puducherry and Karaikal, Kerala and Meghalaya, and near the normal over the rest places of the country, which is also shown in the green color. The synoptic condition, the western disturbance as a cyclonic circulation over the Jammu and neighborhood at 3.1 km above mean sea level persist. Another western disturbance as a trough in lower tropospheric level with its axis of 3.1 km above mean sea level, that is the lower tropospheric level, now runs roughly along the 60 degree east to the north of latitude of 30 degree north. A cyclonic circulation lies over the South Pakistan and adjoining southwest Rajasthan at 1.5 km above mean sea level. The trough from Jharkhand to South Odisha now runs over the Gangetic West Bengal to Telangana at 0.9 km above mean sea level. The cyclonic circulation over the northeast Assam and neighborhood extending up to 1.5 km above mean sea level persist. Also, a fresh western disturbance is likely to affect the northwest India from 24th February onwards. The isolated to scattered rainfall along with the thunderstorm, lightning, hailstorm likely over East India during next 4 to 5 days. Scattered to fairly widespread rainfall and snowfall likely over the western Himalayan region, and isolated to scattered rainfall over the plains of the northwest India during next 48 hours. Isolated heavy rainfall or snowfall also likely over the western Himalayan region on 20th February. Forecast temperature. Maximum temperature would gradually fall by 1 to 2 degrees Celsius likely over northwest India during next 2 days, and gradual rise by 2 to 4 degrees Celsius during subsequent 2 days. No significant change in maximum temperature likely over the rest part of the country during next 4 to 5 days. And the minimum temperature forecast, No significant change in minimum temperature likely over central India during next 3 days and gradual fall by 2 to 3 degrees Celsius during the subsequent 2 days. No significant change in minimum temperature likely over the rest part of the country during next 4 to 5 days. And this is the weather warning maps for the today on 19th February. Yellow warning has been issued for the lightning and thunderstorm activity over Jammu Kashmir, Himachal Pradesh, Punjab and Rajasthan, also over the Haryana and over the northeastern states. And hailstorm activity along with the thunderstorm, lightning and gusting of 30 to 40 km per hour warning has been issued over the Odisha, West Bengal and Jharkhand with the orange color warning has been issued. And for the day 2, heavy rainfall warning has been issued over the Jammu Kashmir and Himachal Pradesh, and the hailstorm warning has been issued over the Uttarakhand for the day 2 warning with a yellow warning. Also the lightning and thunderstorm activity over the Punjab, West UP, East UP and then Bihar, also over the eastern India, northeastern India. And hailstorm warning also issued over the Odisha and West Bengal, also over the Jharkhand with the orange warning has been issued. And this is for the day 3, which is valid for the 21st February. Lightning and lightning activity with the yellow warning has been issued over the Assam, Meghalaya and also over the Odisha region. And for the day 4 forecast with a hailstorm warning also been issued over the Odisha region and Jharkhand region with the lightning and activity. Yellow warning has been issued over the coastal Andhra Pradesh and Bihar and is Assam, Meghalaya. And this is for the day 5. Day 5 lightning activity which is marked over the yellow region which is shown here. And for the day 6 and day 7 there is no adverse warning has been issued, so the entire country marked in the green color. Stay tuned. Thank you.